I did the brittleness test, and I'm like,
Right.
looking at the guy like, I mean, there's 2 missing tabs on the front slope, right? And then I got guff from him, and we spend 10 or 15 minutes up there arguing about the roof process and how unfair it is and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, we're in New York, right? In like White Plains. And his next claim might be like 25 miles away in New York. Which is like a
Could be
90-minute,
2 hours.
2-hour drive, right?
Right.
And I'm like, I mean, we're standing up here wasting time on this roof, but he knows. I mean, he knows it's repairable.